How to fix YouTube app icon not showing on Android. So if you want to fix the YouTube app icon not showing on your Android, then what you need to do is you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now what you need to do is just go with the apps section. Tap on apps. Once you tap on it, now you just need to simply go with see all apps. Under see all apps, you need to go with search and you need to search for YouTube application. And here, if you've disabled your YouTube application, then you just need to simply go and enable it. Once you've enabled, you need to go with storage and cache, go with clear cache and also clear storage. And after that, your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't, then you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that three dots. And here you need to go back and then go with the three dots and then tap on reset app preferences and tap on reset. And after that, it will reset all of your app preferences and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix YouTube app icon not showing on your Android phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.